you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Darla Rodriguez and I'm so glad you're joining me today. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, you can go ahead and do that. We're going to get into some products with IT Cosmetics, a new waterproof product that I think you might enjoy. So stick around and let's get into it. So what I have here are brand new products from IT Cosmetics, and as you guys have known, I have done just my share of episodes with IT Cosmetics because I love the brand. It's a great brand. What I have here are the new Super Hero No Tug waterproof eyeshadow sticks. So they came out with 12 shades and 2 finishes. I have all 12, which is nice. These are the 6 in the pearl finish. And then I also have the 6 in the matte finish. So they did a great job there. They are waterproof, which that's really exciting because spring is coming up and who doesn't want a waterproof product? They are creaseless, supposedly. I haven't really given a full go, but you know, that's a hard one for me because my eyelids crease. I use a lot of products. That's typically why. Little side note, if you have creasing in your shadows or your eyeliner doesn't stay and you are a person that really is into skincare and uses your skincare to the fullest extent, that's just a battle that you have to deal with. I'm not gonna forego skincare products for makeup. Skincare is way more important to me, so that's just kind of a battle you have to deal with. I've kind of gotten it under control, but with cream shadows, because it's a cream going onto a cream, because I'll typically, you know, on the orbital bone there, I use my eye cream. So my shadows kind of move around, I've kind of gotten it under control, but you know, I'm not going to say it doesn't because it does. And I'm not going to stop using skincare. On that note, I know I've said it in my other episodes, but I'm going to say it again. IT Cosmetics, before it's makeup, it's skincare. So the fabulous ingredients in these shadow sticks are their tripeptide complex, their hydrolyzed collagen, and of course, caffeine. So that's always so great when you have the skincare benefits in a makeup product. You know, I have a lot of cream shadows and I don't think any of them actually have those type of ingredients, although I love them. I use it. I have Laura Mercier, I have Nude Sticks, I have Milani. I love those shadow sticks. I'm kind of into this whole craze of easy, quick, convenient type of makeup. So I've dove in. Is dove in a word? Dived in? I don't know. I've gone in. I'm going to swatch the pearl on this arm. I'm going to swatch the matte on this arm. So the pearl colors that I'm showing you right now, they are beautiful. They glide on. And with all of these, you're going to have to really build, okay? So one swatch is one swatch. With all cream colors, here are the mattes. With all cream shadow sticks, you have to build the product. So when you do the initial swipe on your eye, just know that you might not get full color payoff initially. And don't be discouraged about that. That's with all of them. That is what it comes with cream shadows, okay? So like I said, we're gonna do their 5 super benefits that IT Cosmetics discloses on their website that these shadows do. So before I get into the application, I do have shadow base on this eye. It doesn't say that you need a shadow base. I always wear one because I don't know if you can tell, but it gives me a little brightness. I have dark eyelids. Always have, always will. That is just what it is. So I always use a shadow base just to brighten my eye before I get started with color, because if not, it's not going to show the true color because I have such dark eyelids, okay? But I do want to do one with this eye and one without shadow base so you can see. I'm going to start with a matte color Tenacious Tawny, and I'm going to go in on my lid. I am using the darker colors just because I want to see the color payoff, you know? So I'm going to go in right here. And I'm going to go in the corner. And I might just go up on the crease area right here. I'm leaving that middle section open because I'm going to put a color there. Now, with my experience, you want to blend eye to eye, because anything that's waterproof, once it sets, you're there. And that is with everything. I mean, these blend out really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and go in. I am using it with the one eye that I have the shadow base. So this brings me to our first super benefit, which is glide on. So I'm gliding it on. And typically I like to do one eye at a time with any cream shadows, because when they're waterproof, you want to be able to blend, which is super benefit number 2, the blending aspect of this product. So I like that. So we have one, the glide on. I actually like the one without the eyeshadow base better. I don't know if you can see. It doesn't glide as easily. It still glides, but it doesn't glide as easily with the shadow base, which makes sense because shadow bases, their purpose is to grab, right? It really grabs on. I think the color is the same, but it looks smoother on this eye than it does this eye. So the super benefit number 1 is it glides on. Super benefit number 2, it blends. Super benefit number 3 is that it's creaseless, which I can't show you right now, but let's hope that it is, okay? So there is, and I like the color on this side better too. So I'm thinking maybe no shadow base is my kind of consensus at this point. I don't know. I mean, it's been like 3 minutes, but I like how it blends and how it glided on better without the shadow base. So I'm going to take this color, which is the Epic Amethyst, and I'm going to put it right in the center. And it is a pearl finish. So let's see how this blends over. Again, with all of the cream shadows, they're buildable. So this would be the first application. And I'm going to go in again. Is that super? That's super benefit number 4. It's buildable. So let's see. That kind of worked out. Really, there's not much blending because I'm just putting it in the center of my lid. So I'm just going to kind of pack it down so it blends, you know, into the product that I put on the lid. But there it is. And I'm going to go on this side. Let's see how it goes on. Again, I have shadow base on this one. I think this is a little darker. That's the one I built up. So I'm going to go in again. Just build that up a little bit more. They are really blendable, you guys. And I love that. So these are the 2 colors. The 5 super benefit is all day wear, which again, that would be, I have used, this is the Fearless Umber. I used it by itself just all over my lid for a quick go, and it's a deep, nice brown color. I do love it. I think that's actually my favorite out of all these. But I wanted to show you a couple, how it blends and things like that today, so I didn't use that all over my lid. But I did get all day wear. So I can kind of vouch for that. I will use this on my lash line just so I can show it to you. That's the Fearless Umber. I'm going to go right in on the base of my lash and kind of under here. Just on that outer third color. and blend it out. Of course, I'll use a stiffer brush because I want it to be more of a liner feel. I don't want to blend it out too much. And it's blending nicely right over the that terracotta that I used first. Yeah, I'm thinking no shadow base, you guys. And trust me, I am a shadow base addict. But I kind of like it. Without, I like how it blends. Kind of blends a little easier without the shadow base. Let me put on my mascara really quick. I'll be right back. So my mascara is done. This is the eye look. Honestly, if I weren't talking, it would be done in 5 minutes. Like that is the benefit of a cream shadow stick. I, again, wanted to just touch up. I don't know if I said they're $24 a piece. I'm not sure if I said that. So I want to make sure and let you know they are twist up, so you don't have to sharpen them, which is nice. And then again, they have pretty great 5 super benefits for the Super Hero No Tug waterproof eyeshadow stick. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And go out there and try it out. If you try one, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you've tried it, you don't like it, you've tried it, you love it, you're going out to buy it, all that good stuff. Have a fabulous week, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.